Today I'm going to show you how to make what I call summer toast. Because you have the sunny side up egg that looks like the sun on top of the green avocado and cilantro that look just like grass, so it looks like this beautiful image of summer. This is not just breakfast. This is a meal fit for any time of the day, crisp and satisfying with every bite. To get started, you'll need a ripe avocado. If you're watching this in advance and you have an unripe avocado, you can get it to ripen faster if you wrap it in newspaper and leave it on the counter. If your avocado is ripe before you're ready to use it, put it in the fridge so it'll last longer. Cut your avocado in half and remove the pit. One popular method is to hold the avocado in your hand and use a knife to remove the pit, but there's a reason for the term avocado hand. Instead, I like to cut the half with the pit in it in half again and then remove the pit with my hands. Put your avocado into a bowl and mash it. If it's super ripe, you can easily mash it with a fork. If it's less ripe, a potato masher is much easier. Next, you'll need a lemon. Start by adding about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add some salt to taste, some pepper, and about a quarter teaspoon of paprika and chili powder. Next, we'll fry an egg. Melt about a tablespoon of butter in a pan on medium-high heat, then crack in your egg. Pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and put a lid on the pan. Grab a slice of bread and butter it on both sides and fry it in a pan. I forgot to butter the other side, but it's easier if you butter it before you put it in the pan. Now that the toast is ready, I'll add my mashed avocado, then slide the egg on top and add a little salt and pepper. And cilantro to go on top if you like that kind of thing. It's so good. It's got the creamy avocado and the runny egg yolk, you can see here, and the crispy toast kind of balances it. Really, really good. I love the cilantro too. Not everyone likes it, but it's really good. I made this again later and added some feta, and it was even better, so I'd highly recommend adding some cheesy bits.